Welcome back. Capital Invest, DMV Investment Opportunities. I'm Reggie Rowley with Marcus Thomas. Catch us here at noon every Saturday. WOL 1450, 95.9 on the FM. We'll stream live at WOLDCnews.com. I'm going to skip all the other ones for now. Text Invest here to 38470. Check out DMVFreeWorkshop.com. DMVFreeWorkshop.com. It all starts there to embark on this journey with us, right?
Embarkation.
So, wanted to welcome back Taylor.
Whoop, whoop.
Got a little surprise for you.
Do you?
While we waiting on that,
Okay.
refresh my memory. How many projects are you working on right now?
1, 2, 3-ish.
Three-ish?
Three-ish projects right now.
Ish.
One of them is about to come to market. It is finished. It is completely finished.
Okay.
So I'll be having my grand opening house next weekend. It's going to be like a party.
And how can the listener get plugged in? Where should they see this at? Will it be on your website?
It will be on my website, www.Taylor2U's.com.
That's the number 2, the letter U.
Yes, number 2,
Taylor2U.
letter U. Good job, Reggie.
All right.
And then follow me on social media at Tierra Taylor.
That's on Instagram and everything.
Yeah, on Instagram is Tierra_Taylor2U.
All right.
You ready for my surprise? Because I'm ready.
Yeah.
I hope it's what I wanted.
I think it might be.
Is it?
No.
I thought it was gonna be money. Guess not.
No.
I'm just playing.
No, that's all right.
Okay.
All right.
So
What's the money? What's the
Taylor2U tip of the week?
Yes.
Okay. So
There
first,
you
this
go.
is the Demolition Diva with my Taylor2U tip of the week. And before I give you my new tip, you know I have to go back
Okay.
to my tip from last week. And so my tip from last week was be an asset to your coach or mentor. And so this week we're gonna build upon that. And the tip of the week is leverage your resources.
Okay.
In other words, use what you got to get what you want.
Ronnie Players Club.
Come on down.
So many people come up to me, they ask me, how can they start real estate investing when they don't have any money? And so I'm like, okay, well, let's try to leverage some resources that you do have. So we talk about their 401k, their retirements. We talk about having equity in their houses, as well as family and friends that they have that have access to capital. Then you may say, well, I don't have any money, but then I'm going to ask you, do you have any special skills? Like, are you a photographer? Can you allow me to pay you, or we can barter for the photography so that I can teach you more about real estate investing, but then you can take pictures of my property before, during, and after.
Are you speaking to Abisa Day right now?
I'm talking to Abisa
I
Day.
feel like that.
Abisa, come take some pictures of my property and let's barter. But the other point is, like, some people are like, oh, well, I don't have a special skill that would help you with real estate investing, but maybe you're really good on social media. So maybe you can help me with my marketing and branding of my company, and then that's how we can barter. And I can teach you some more about real estate, and then you can help me by helping me build my brand.
Gotcha.
If you don't have that skill, then maybe you have time. So maybe after work every day, you can help me with the bandit signs. You can help me make some phone calls, or not just me, but in general. You can help whoever make phone calls, bandit signs, drive for dollars, which are looking for vacant properties, and you're able to identify them for me or for us. But everyone has a network. And so you need to use your family or friends that maybe have houses that they no longer want, and you can bring us a deal. And then that way that we can help you, joint venture with you to help you get into this real estate industry. So I think the most important thing this week is to sit down and assess, what do you bring to the table?
Okay.
What do you have that will help you get to the next level of where you want to be?
So basically, if I got hard work, you can work with me.
If you got hard work and you got some passion, I can work with you.
All right.
Because see, if you have hard work and passion, you're going to make it happen. It's going to be no excuses. You're going to do whatever you have to do to make it happen. So leverage what you have to get what you want. That's my Taylor2U tip of the week.